I'd like to welcome everybody to CKJ Crypto News. Guys, I have an amazing article tonight. One thing I always say about Coinbase is Coinbase and Ripple Labs is ground zero for the digital currency revolution. These are two entities that are operating under the SEC, and they both have their BIT license, and they're both registered with the FinCEN. So basically, to me, that's somewhat of a green light to what they're doing. Now basically you can cash out your crypto through PayPal, to register with FinCEN, to register with the Bank Secrecy Act, to register with the Patriot Act. To me, guys, that clearly shows a green light. But now, even more bullish news. Coinbase Crypto Exchange debuts Visa card for UK customers. Major American crypto exchange Coinbase has launched the Coinbase Card that enables its United Kingdom-based customers to pay in-store and online with cryptocurrency. The development was announced in a blog published April 10th. The Coinbase Card is a Visa debit card powered by customers' Coinbase account crypto balances, which allows them to make purchases with digital currencies worldwide. Damn. Coinbase instantly converts customers' crypto funds into fiat currency in order to complete the purchase. Well, this is interesting, guys. Now, I did go to the Coinbase blog, spend your crypto instantly with a Coinbase card. We're excited to announce the launch of Coinbase Card, a Visa debit card that lets customers in the UK spend crypto as effortlessly as money in their bank. Well, that's pretty impressive, guys. So, to use your Coinbase card with the Visa logo on it, that's a massive partnership, I believe. Massive. Now, I'm not saying they're partnered with Visa, but to utilize the Visa logo, the Visa card, something very significant is going on here. I did do a little bit more research right here on the company. Now, Coinbase Card is currently only available in the UK, but San Francisco-based exchange, which is valued at $8 billion in October, plans to roll out support in other European countries in coming months. There are no plans yet to support outside of Europe. And basically, it's called APTO Payments, previously known as Shift Payments, is providing the technology for Coinbase after discontinuing its own Shift card. So the thing is, guys, I'm really curious about the company that's providing the services and the fees. Now, I did find something about Shift card here. No, I did look up Shift card here, but it says they changed the name or discontinued it or they're using them. So we got Shift API, transfer money immediately by generating Visa cards. Now, I did try to look up APTO Payments. It looks like there's nothing going on their Twitter at all. Now, but I did find this old Coinbase support article about the Shift card. How do transactions work? It looks like they did offer somewhat of a card before, maybe not a Visa partnership. But what's interesting here is they offered it in the U.S. states, the Shift card, using Coinbase Connect with the Shift Payments debit for your Coinbase wallet. In here somewhere it says there are no transaction fees on domestic transactions for a limited time. There are also no fees associated with the exchange of Bitcoin to USD. So I'm just not sure what was going on with the Coinbase relationship with Shift before. What was they offering? But clearly now there is a relationship with Coinbase, and Coinbase came out with the Coinbase card that utilizes the Visa logo. Spend it anywhere Visa is accepted. That is massive news, guys. Spend your crypto instantly with Coinbase Card. This is amazing, guys. You know, like I say, Coinbase is, I believe, one of the #1 exchanges, you know, operating under the SEC. You know, cash out your crypto to PayPal. I mean, that carries weight right there, guys. And not to mention, guys, XRP, Coinbase just went live with what, XRP international transfers. Just that alone, too, guys, you know, that they chose XRP out of all the digital currencies on Coinbase. That says a lot, too. Okay, guys, the CKJ coin will come down right now. Smash that coin to subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Are you going to get yourself a Coinbase card with the Visa logo on it? Much love. Mahalo.